Hey techies, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss changes coming to display sizes in iPhone 16 lineup this year. There may be some changes coming for the display sizes of the iPhone 16 Pro models. However, the standard iPhone 16 variants will stay the same. The iPhone 16 Pro display may be increased to 6.3 inches, up from the current 6.1 inches. The larger iPhone 16 Pro Max will be 6.9 inches rather than 6.7 inches. With the smaller iPhone 16 Pro getting a bump in size, this will make it possible to fit a larger telephoto camera lens in it, allowing for the 5x optical zoom that debuted in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Due to size constraints of the 6.1-inch size, the tetraprism lens wasn't able to fit, but a 6.3-inch chassis can change that. Apple will be shrinking bezels across the board, though the real benefits will be more obvious on the Pro models. A new report has surfaced revealing that Apple is using a new display technology called border reduction structure, BRS, which lets suppliers reduce the size of those black borders around the screen. We could also get brighter displays and more efficient power consumption, as Apple is reportedly using microlens technology in the iPhone 16 OLED panels. A report from the Elect suggests that the iPhone 17 line will mark the first time that all models, including the base ones, will use LTPO OLED panels with promotion and always-on screens. Unfortunately, the base models, iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, should still have a 60Hz refresh rate display. Also from the Elect, mass production of the OLED screen for the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, and 16 Pro are set to begin following Apple's final approval. The iPhone 16 Pro Max OLED screen is still being tweaked by Apple, and may not get final approval for production until the end of June. The panels should be manufactured by 3 OLED suppliers, including Samsung Display, which will make panels for all 4 iPhone 16 models, LG, which will make panels for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and BOE, which will be responsible for the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Until next time, techies, stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.